clearly stated in the plan. Development of LCC model. It is the second step in LCC analysis planning. In order to develop a LCC model, the following steps has to be done. First one, create a cost breakdown structure that identifies all relevant cost categories in all appropriate life cycle phases. Means create a cost breakdown structure which clearly shows what is the cost involved in each and every phase of your project. Second one, identify the cost which do not have impact in asset and that cost has to be eliminated. Third one, you have to select a method for estimating cost. Fourth one, uncertainties for estimating cost. Means identifies barriers of selecting method for estimating cost. Some method may include disadvantages, so it should be identify that method. Last one, integrate the individual cost elements into a unified LCC model. Means combine cost identified in different phases to get overall picture of the cost. The third step in LCC analysis planning is implementing the LCC model. It has to follow the following steps. First one, obtaining data and developing cost estimates. Second one, develop the LCC model with historical data. Third one, identify cost elements that have the most significant impact on the LCC of the asset. Fourth one, in case the final life cycle does not meet the target cost or any other goal determined, the LCC reevaluated and modified. In this stage, use historical data about the project to implement LCC model in the organization. The last stage in LCC analysis planning is recording and reviewing LCC result. Here, a report must be prepared. A report containing the detailed objectives, limitations, uncertainties associated with the result, LCC model, method of obtaining cost data, estimation of cost for the life of assets, and resources required should be prepared. It can use the management for decision making. The second stage in LCC is life cost analysis preparation. We developed a LCC model in LCC analysis planning stage, but with the historical data. But here we develop a LCC model with the actual cost and real-time basis. Here we uses the actual data. Means using actual figure from similar asset from organization, which organization using the